Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to search a product based on filter into invoice. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Invoice Quick Product Search. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and see here these options for allow quick search invoice order. Allow this. Let's save. Now go to invoicing app. Go to customer invoice. Create new. Select customer like Deco Addict. And see here these options for search, product and available filter, description, internal reference and barcode. Go to products and first I want to search by reference. Let's save. And now update this. So see here, display validation error that product not found. Your product name is cabinet with door and here selected internal reference. So now here select correct, it means description. Let's save and now update this. So see here search result in product display cabinet with doors. And now this same product I want to insert in invoice line. So click on add to order and see here move invoice line. Now I want to search reference. Now update this and see here loaded product. Again add to order and see here same product loaded here, so quantity is now display total 2. Now I want to search using barcode and select filter barcode. Update this and now add to order and see here total quantity display 3. So using this our app you can easily search product. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this